Welcome to the Recon Trader. In today's video, I will share with you some tactical analysis over on the Bitcoin charts, as the bears do appear to continue to push this price down. Really, if you're a bull in this market, you still need to proceed with caution because the overall trend is still lower highs and lower lows. So with that being said, let's get into the weeds. And we can start over here on the weekly candles for Bitcoin USDT on the Binance exchange. And a key level we've been watching for the last couple weeks is the yellow line you see running through the chart up here. That is the 200 period moving average. And a couple weeks ago, Bitcoin actually closed below that level. However, last week, Bitcoin's price did actually start selling off deeper, but did bounce above the actual 200 period moving average, only to reject and close below it. Now this week, albeit very early, it's only Monday, Bitcoin's price does appear to be testing that 200 period moving average once again. The real question will be, who wins this battle? Will it be the bears keeping the price below this moving average, or can the bulls actually step up and get the price above this 200 period moving average? As you can see, for pretty much the past year, going back to June of 2022, the bears have been primarily successful in keeping the price down below. However, the bulls did step up in March and get the price up above, only to see the bears essentially come out of hibernation in April and push the price down. So again, if you're bullish, perhaps proceed with caution. Anytime the price is below this 200 period moving average, it is a bearish signal. Now with that in mind, if we jump over here to the daily candles for Bitcoin USDT on the Binance chart, you can see Bitcoin's price has been trending down, setting lower highs and lower lows over the last several months. Bitcoin's price has been pretty much stuck in this downward channel, and right now really it looks like Bitcoin's price over the last couple days is running into resistance just shy of pretty much 27,000 if you look at the top of the wicks of these candles. Now, if we drop in the auto fib retracement level, swinging from the high to this low back here, we can see that a key level really for the Bitcoin bulls to get above is going to be the 786 level, or around 27,000 on the Fibonacci retracement levels. As long as Bitcoin's price holds below this, Bitcoin's price is more than likely to set just another lower high, and perhaps this area down here will be another lower low. And thus the trend continues down. Now, if the bulls can actually get above the 786 level, and probably more importantly, break out of this channel and get a daily candle close, maybe somewhere closer to the 618 level, which would put it around 27.8, then that could signal bullish momentum. However, the bulls will more than likely run into some more resistance up here at the 50% level, which is coming in at 28.4, call it 28.5. You can see in the past that was a level of resistance almost to the dollar, and so this could be a key level for the bulls to breach above. After 28.5, the bulls could set their target at this 236 level, which puts it at around 29.8. Let's call it essentially 30,000. You can see a few rejections on these wicks here at that 30,000 level. And so if the bulls set their sights, say, above the 30,000 level, then Bitcoin's price could be headed back to 31,000. Now, a break above 31,000, and there's some open air for the bulls to run. However, right now, the price action is truly bearish, and if the bears can continue to hold Bitcoin's price down, they would obviously want to get it back down below 26,000, in this case, maybe below 25.8. After that, they could head back down towards the low of these wicks, which is right around 25,000. It's actually 24.8. If this level back here breaks, then the 1272 level of 24.4 would be perhaps the last level of support. If breached, then Bitcoin's price could be dumped all the way back here to the 1618 level, and that would put it at around 26.6. However, it does appear with these long wicks on the bottom of these candles down here, the bulls are stepping up anytime Bitcoin's price gets close to 25,000. So I think that's enough jaw-jacking for this video. If anything major changes over here on the charts, I will do an updated video. So now would be a good time to shoot that subscribe button. If you like this video, do me a favor, spike a like. If you have questions or comments, drop them in the comment section down below. And until next time, remember, never send your money into battle without first doing your recon. See you in the next video.